Columbia River Knife and Tool, or CRKT, utilizes some of the most advanced equipment and production technologies to manufacturing exquisite knives. One of their popular lineups is the M16, and there are a number of sought-after offerings from the M16-Z EDC series like the M16-10KZ. This is one of the most popular folding knives from CRKT that is purposefully built for everyday carry. It is designed by a legendary custom knife maker and retired surgeon major Harold Kit Curson from Kentucky, and this particular model has set the industry standard for the quality and value in everyday carry folding knives. Today, we will be reviewing the M16-10KZ knife, so let's get on with the video. The M16-10KZ has an open build frame and the signature Curson flipper, but let's talk about the blade first. This is a dual hollow grind, high carbon stainless steel blade that has a black corrosion resistant ADP coating on top of it. The blade is 3 inches in length and has a tap-to-tip design, which sets this blade apart from many other EDC pocket knives in its class. This tap-to-tip design is excellent for penetration, and its triple point serrations on the lower part of the blade is great for faster cuts. The result is maximum blade strength and cutting power. It also comes loaded with a distinctive black frame and hardware with a non-reflective tactical inspired look. How to open this folding knife? Well, it's not complicated, rather intuitive and straightforward. First of all, this is a manual flipper knife and not an auto-deploy or spring assist knife. What we need to do is to flip it open by pushing down the flipper and swing a little bit, and you'll see that the blade will come open very easily and smoothly. When you open it, its flipper becomes like a finger guard and keeps your fingers protected when you use it. In addition to that, its jimping on both sides provide amazing control in case of intense use, and you'll have lightning fast opening when you want. Now it's time to talk about its handle. The handle of this knife is made out of Zytel, which is basically a hard plastic. This Zytel is placed on top of the stainless steel liners. It has got a nice bit of textured-like pattern grip, but it feels light as well. There's no question about the quality. Besides, you can see that it has got textured gripping on its pivot screw. Its thumb styles on both sides are also grippy with some textures, which adds to this nice convenient operation. The textured jimping provides amazing support for the thumb when you cut something. The pocket clip is a tip-down carry, and it means that when the folder is closed and carried in the pocket, the tip of this knife blade points downwards. Now let's talk about its locking system. One of the best features of this EDC pocket knife is its unique AutoLAWK safety mechanism, a secondary safety on its liner lock. It prevents the liner lock from accidentally closing and provides a nice and solid lockup when you use it. This is an interesting feature that CRKT has developed, providing amazing one-handed closing. When AutoLAWK is deployed, this folding knife turns itself into a virtual fixed blade knife. And once the AutoLAWK system is engaged, you cannot close the blade no matter how hard you try. This knife is well constructed yet lightweight. Moreover, there's no wiggling and you can feel it when you take it on your hand. Its open build frame is built to sustain, easy to clean after heavy use. You'll find it very easy to carry it inside of a pocket. And finally, it's a good performer for its price. Well, that was all about the review of the M16-10KZ EDC folding pocket knife from CRKT. Let us know what you think about the video. Thanks for watching it, like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.